Hi, this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today we're at JB Hudson Jewelers taking a look at a rather interesting watch. This is the Cartier Ballon Bleu de Cartier watch in 42 millimeters, stainless steel. So this watch is available here, brand new, at JB Hudson. They are an authorized retailer of Cartier and many other watches. So I'll be dropping a link in the description to their website and to this watch individually if you want to learn more about it. So now let's jump right into this piece. So as I said, this watch has a 42 millimeter stainless steel case, and it is of the signature Ballon Bleu de Cartier design, which gives it sort of a funky look, and it doesn't really look like any other men's dress watch on the market. I mean, especially with that dial, you just have those different patterns and the very large Roman numerals. Also, the crown with that integrated crown guard looks quite unique, but it actually does, underneath that crown guard, have the signature jewel in the crown. The movement in this watch is fairly interesting as well. So it has the Cartier manufacturer 1847 MC movement. So it is a manufacturer movement. Cartier has been stepping in that direction to have more manufacturer in-house based movements. And that is to kind of up their status as a brand, as they in the past have been seen more as a fashion brand. I don't necessarily think this watch is helping that, especially given that the price brand new is $6,250. I think that is quite high for a watch that's stainless steel with no complications, other than, I mean, date and time, and of this design. It doesn't actually even have a clear case back. This definitely isn't a watch that I would have. I think it's a bit feminine, and many Cartier Ballon Bleu de Cartiers are worn by women. I mean, that's probably one of their most popular women's models. I see it all the time on people. So as a male, I probably would not wear this watch, but again, I don't know. People have different styles. It's not really, I tend to be more of a sports watch guy too, so that could be contributing, but again, it's not really my style. I'll move on to a wrist shot here. So the 42 millimeter case size is fine. I mean, it's quite large, but I don't think it would look really huge on anyone's wrist, just given the design. It sort of has this just, again, balloon-like design, hence the name, that makes it appear large, but it doesn't. I mean, I don't see it looking huge on anyone's wrist. I have about a 6.5 inch circumference wrist, so definitely keep that in mind. The leather strap that it comes on is fairly comfortable. I actually quite like the deployant clasp. It's very secure feeling. I think that I would never worry about its quality and it bending or anything like that. I think it's fairly easy to put on and take off, except when you're not holding it in the right position. Yeah, oh, one note. Whenever you're using a deployant clasp, I didn't know this initially when I started doing reviews, I'll admit it, you do not want to push on the buckle itself. You want to push kind of at the midpoint between the end of the deployant buckle, or the deployant clasp, and then the other end. So it actually is it acts more like a spring. It's very easy to use that way. To take it off, it works best if you kind of use that as an axis of rotation and pull on the lid, and it comes off fairly easily. And again, push in the middle, goes on. If you push on the actual buckle itself, it's fairly difficult to put on the clasp. So if you like this video, please remember to subscribe and share. Thank you.